Hi, y'all. This is Tanishka, and whether you stumbled across this by chance or came back for more, welcome. Before I start with the guide, I would like to talk about the background a bit. So, it was December 2024 when I dropped out of IM, and it's a story for another day. But yes, I was back at home preparing for my entrance exams yet again, and it was January 2025 when I lost my financial stability. घर वालों ने पैसे देने बंद कर दिए थे मुझे. So I thought to myself, why don't I try my hand at internships and job? So I didn't even know where to start. Like ना मेरे पे कोई college, ना मेरे पे कोई experience, ना मेरे पे कोई skills. But I did start with LinkedIn. I was very skeptical about LinkedIn when I was in my previous college because all that kitna corporate stuff and all. But yeah, now I did start with LinkedIn and I made my profile and मैंने basic चीज़ें fill out करी like my education and skills वगैरह. स्किल्स में आई टुक कम्युनिकेशन एंड राइटिंग एक्सेट्रा बट मेरे पास स्टिल कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था मेरी प्रोफाइल पे शो करने के लिए. नाउ अबाउट माई रेज्यूमे, सो आई वॉच्ड अ बंच ऑफ यूट्यूब वीडियोज अबाउट इट एंड सेफ टू से आई created such an impressive resume बिना किसी कॉलेज टैग, बिना किसी skills like professional skills and बिना किसी experience के my resume was very well written. And उसके बाद I proceeded to write articles for an organization called Estrella Connect, and that I kept as experience on my profile. Talking about portfolio, you should definitely keep a portfolio of your work handy. If you're starting with content writing, make your own blog on WordPress, or you can start with writing articles on platforms like Medium. And you can write 3 5 pieces on Google Docs. And same goes for every other field, be it graphic designing, digital marketing, or any other field. Just keep a portfolio handy. Now comes the real step that you definitely need to do to secure an internship or job for yourself. Apply to as many places as you can. Like, I remember when I started with this, I used to set a timer of 10 to 15 minutes for myself कि जितनी जगह मैं अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ इस टाइम में I will apply. And definitely it should be according to your प्रेफरेंसेस कि तुम्हें हाइब्रिड चाहिए, रिमोट चाहिए, या इन पर्सन जॉब चाहिए, या फिर तुम्हें पे कितनी चाहिए, या फिर तुम्हारा फील्ड क्या है. ये सब चीज़ें ध्यान में रखते हुए यू शुड अप्लाई टू as many places as possible. And when I started, I applied to at least 50 places. So these are all of the things which I did, and मुझे लगा यार 2 3 महीने तो लगेंगे कुछ अच्छा मिलने में. But in a week I got 4 offers, जिसमें से 3 were of on-site jobs, so I didn't take them. The last one was of a remote internship, and I was to get 4K as stipend at the end of the month. It was like a 1 month internship, and it was about writing product descriptions for women's clothing, jewelry, etc. So I started with it. I was very excited about it. Like, this is my first internship and all. And the very first day, my employer was on my head all day. Like, ये नहीं किया आपने, वो नहीं किया, कब करोगे, और ये सब. And second day the same thing happened, and I also did realize कि कितना boring है ये product descriptions लिखना. And my employer texted me, if you work like this, I will have to find somebody else. And I was like, go find somebody else. So I left from there, and okay, now my preferences were more clear कि I don't want to write product descriptions, and मुझे अपने टाइमिंग्स के हिसाब से काम करना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है, आई वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट इन माई सेल्फ दैट मुझे बेटर तो मिल ही जाएगी. सो द वेरी डे दैट आई क्विट that product description wali internship, I got call from a digital marketing agency. I had submitted my assignment to them like a few days back and I didn't even remember about it, but apparently they loved my assignment and I started working there. So basically what I was supposed to do, that I was supposed to write weekly blogs for brands, and her blog जो approve होगी, it will be paid 500 rupees. So at the end of the month it dependent on the intern कि कितनी blogs तुम लिखते हो, कितनी approve होती है. And the editors, there were different editors assigned to the writers. So the first editor which I had in the first month was very sweet to me, and उसके अलावा जितने भी editors थे, like the editor which I got assigned from the second month was very very rude, to be honest. And कुल मिला के I worked. They like didn't like my work after first month because the editor got changed. So I worked there for 2 months and then earned my first paycheck from there and then discontinued 26th of March, and I had nothing in my hands again, but my preferences got a bit more clear. A respectful employer got added to my list. So I'm not gonna lie here, जो 15 days का phase था, it was an absolute mess for me. College को लेकर I was very very anxious. I was looking at the people of my age enjoying their college life, posting it on their social media, and I was here yet again preparing for my entrance exams. And I had recently found what they call financial freedom or financial independence, and फिर से चली गई वो. So the time of this 15 days was like I used to cry at 3 a.m. every day. Overthink करके मैं रोए जा रही हूँ anxiety के मारे. But even after that, I knew that कोई हो ना हो, आई एम देयर फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड लाइक रोने वोने के बाद, फुल ओवर थिंक करने के बाद, आई यूज टू टेल माई सेल्फ इट्स ओके, एवरीथिंग इज गोना वर्क आउट इन माई फेवर, द यूनिवर्स लव्स मी एंड समथिंग better is definitely on my way. So it went on to like 5th or 6th April. Then I got assignments for different jobs, and on 9th of April, I started as a tech news writer for a media company. And you know, that job was according to my preferences. The pay was higher than the previous one. The employer was very, very respectful and sweet to me, and I was doing something that I love, and it was news writing. But it only lasted for a month because 5th of May, my employer informed me that they had lost their two important clients and they will now have to put my कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑन होल्ड. अब तुम बोलोगे कि तनुष्का तू ही बनौती है असली. सो that's not the case. My employer clarified that it was not my fault. So it has been 15 days and I'm just following the same process. I'm updating my resume, I'm improving my skills, I'm working on them, and I'm applying to jobs like 60 to 70 jobs abhi tak I have applied in these 15 days. But I'm happiest about a single thing, which is I'm not in a mess. Like I'm in a very good headspace right now. I'm not overthinking it. I'm not anxious about it because I'm taking the actions which I need to take to secure a good job for me. But I'm not overthinking about it कि कैसे मिलेगी, क्या होगा, and all of that stuff. So If there's anything, if there's one thing actually, if you could take from this video, please let just be this last part, that be confident in yourself, have faith in universe or God or whatever you have your belief in. So have faith in yourself and don't get anxious, and just this, have faith. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have made it to here, I'm very grateful that you are here. And I will list all of the resources that I used, all of the platforms that I used for my job hunt. I will list it in the pinned comment or the description of the video. And thank you.